This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Ann Foster. New construction, 4-bedroom / 3.5 bath, 2,694 square feet. Beaufort plan in Meadow Crest Subdivision. Open and bright open floor plan with pretty island kitchen, large pantry, nice cabinetry, stainless appliances, granite countertops, breakfast area and separate dining area. Vaulted great room with fireplace. Master bedroom has tray ceiling, master bath with separate tub and shower, dual sinks, large walk-in closet. Main floor laundry and powder room. 2 additional bedrooms on the main level. 4th bedroom / study and bath above garage. 2-car attached garage. Covered front and back porches for outdoor enjoyment. Quiet neighborhood with street lights, low HOA fees and close to everything the lake area has to offer. Sod lawn with sprinkler system. Quick contract means buyer may choose some decorator items. Seller will pay some closing costs with preferred lender. Seller holds all earnest money and closing attorney shall be McMichael and Grey. Preferred lender, Kelly Dover, Cross Country Mortgage 678-283-1200 for more information.